Do you own a 2014 to 18 Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon? Well, if you do, I'm gonna show you how do you change your cabin air filter. Let's go. Man, this thing need a lot of work. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, just looking at the little old truck. Man, I don't know if y'all noticed something, but yeah, I'll show y'all later. Hey, man, just watch the videos, man. I got some stuff coming for y'all. Just like this, I got some stuff coming for y'all. So, y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment, man. Let's go. All right, so you see you got 2 compartments here. Cool beans. All right, so you see that torch right there, that, and then I'm gonna show you the 2 that's underneath in just a sec. I just want to show you. So this is called a T10, and this is what fits in there. You see how it's turning, but I'm gonna use my tool here in a sec. Let me show you the 2 at the bottom. All right, so you got this one. This is on the right side. Then that one over there is on the left side. So I'm finna undo them with that T10 and go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on there just so you can see. And I was missing a bolt down there. All right, you see how that came out? Let me put the phone down so I can grab it. All right, and this bad boy should pop straight out just like so. Now, if you got sub wires, this is probably where they're gonna route it. So that's just because there was once a system here at one point, but right there, that's where we're looking for. So let's pop that right there, and let's pop this right here. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. It's over there in the corner. There we go. And now let's pull this bad mama jamma. All right, y'all see this arrow, right? Make sure the arrow's facing down, or it could not work correctly. It won't really even filter. It's not really that bad, because it will catch it on top, but we're gonna change it anyway. Actually, I lied. It is worse than what it looked, because in the shade, you can see how dark it is, all the stuff that's in there. Yeah, let's get all that nasty stuff. Let's put the brand new one in. Let's look at the brand new one. Oh, nothing. All right, so you remember I told you about the airflow? It goes down. So let's get back to the truck. All right. Let's just squeeze this bad boy on up in here. All right, it's sliding right on in. Boom, airflow down. Man, you in Cambodia. All right, let's put that tack back in. All right, now it's all done. Let's reverse it. All right, like I said, I was missing this one, so I put that one back, 2 and 3 back, so that will technically make 4 now. And here we go. That's how you change your cabin air filter on your truck.